There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great.
To bring about change, you must not be afraid to take the first step. We will fail when we fail to try.
Like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine.
Escanar is a beach resort village on the Spanish island of Ibiza. The resort is in the municipality of Santa Eulalia del Rio.
I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time.
Just update in here. Today is a very good day. The sun is shining. It's a warm, hot day. So this is where the boat from Formentera is docking. Look at that. That is the price. Okay. And this is the bridge. Look at that. And there's the boat. And this is the ticket station. Okay, let's keep moving. Let's take a look over here. Promenade of Escanar. So over there is Aloha Hotel Miami, and wow, this is the beautiful beach of Escanar. Look at that, there's so many fish. I don't know if you can see it, but wow, there's so many fish over there. There's also a duck. Right, let's keep moving. beach of Escanar. A small walk over here. Well, here there are so many different water sports, paddle surf, kayaks, and pedal boats. Alright, let's keep moving over here. Wow, there's so many people here now at the beach. Look at that. Look at the water. So crystal clear. Continue walking. This is the bus station and taxi station over here. Look at that. Okay, let's continue walking. Tayo. Over there is La Perla Bar Restaurant. Okay, let's continue walking. And over there is Hotel Ereso. Okay, this way is going to Calanova. Look at that. All right, here in the front is the souvenir shop. Okay, let's continue walking. Alright, have to cross the street. Okay. Okay guys, let's continue our walk tour here at Escanar. So we go in the other direction. Okay, this is Hotel Ereso. Look at that, that is their entrance. Let's keep moving here. In front here there is a rent a car, plus rent a car. Okay, let's keep moving. Montemar is closed during Thursday. Okay, let's keep walking. That is the Rapid supermarket. There's also here a souvenir shop. Here it's okay. Let's keep moving. The feria is already open. Here is the Guanes bar. That is their entrance. La Perla is here. It's the restaurant La Perla. Let's keep walking in here. Bus station, taxi station. Let's keep moving. Over here, pharmacy. Escanar. Italian artisan ice cream. Let's keep walking. This is at the promenade of Escanar.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't at all.